Okay, so working with the Raspberry Pi B Plus and a breadboard and some jumper cables takes a little bit of sleuthing around on the internet and reading the book that I have, which is the fully updated guide. Let's see, Raspberry Pi user guide by these guys. And you need to buy these female to male jumper cables. I got mine on Amazon. You have to set up your breadboard like so. I don't know if you can see that. So the negative is down there at the bottom, and the positive is all the way up at the top. And if you can, let's see. Okay, so that's the circuit that the book asks you to build. And if you, first thing I did was follow their directions and put the positive one, which is on, that's pin 11, put it on pin 1 just to make sure your circuit lights up. And you can see it lights up just like that. Pin 1 is the plus 3.3 volts. The one next to it, I guess that's 2, is plus 5 volts, which will fry your circuit as far as I know. So I just started with 3.3. So check that out. That's pretty cool. And then to do the Python example in the book, it says put the white one, the one at the top on the breadboard, in pin 11, which is actually right next to it. Because the pin numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the odds are on this side and the evens are on that side. Sorry, that odds are on this side, evens are on that side. And Samuel and I typed in some code before. We couldn't get it to work, but once I verified my circuit tonight with these new cables, I just made some slight modifications to the Python files that we had. And didn't even run, I'm just running from a command line because that's a lot easier. It gives me more geek cred. So here, the first one I'm going to run is ledon.python.py. Woo! And it comes on. That's so cool. And then I'm going to run my LED off. And they just send a high or a low signal to pin 11, which is the white one again. And so I guess that's a positive 3.3 volts through this circuit, which lights up this. And then this is just the ground. So the circuit lights up when you give a positive 3.3 volts to the circuit on the, I guess you'd call this the positive side. I'm not real sure. But anyway, I'm going to run LED on. See if you can see that. Super cool. LED off. Super rad. Okay, hope you enjoyed. See ya.